Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to share Instagram post to WhatsApp status. Now, to share an Instagram post or reel to your WhatsApp status, you can use the direct WhatsApp status sharing option. Now, to access this feature, all you have to do is head to your reel option, or in your home feed, select your specific post that you want to share. Now go ahead and tap on this paper plane icon next to your reel or your post. From here you should be able to find this WhatsApp status option. Now once you click on it, as you can see, you have been redirected to your WhatsApp application. Now once you tap on this airplane button, this particular Instagram post will be added in your WhatsApp status, and you should be able to view it just by accessing your WhatsApp application by tapping on this updated button, and you should be able to access it from here. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.